Hi. So in this chapter, let's discuss about Python data types. Okay, especially the built-in data types in Python. Look, in any programming language, data type is really a important factor, a important concept. Okay, variables can only store data in different data types, and different types can do different things also. So in Python, it has basically a certain data types which is built in by default, which I am going to show you step by step. Okay, we will not go very dive deep into it. First, here we will stay at the top so that you could understand the basic concept behind the data type, and then when we will go step by step in the next videos, we will really deep a dive into it. Okay, so let's start by getting the data type actually. Okay, so getting the data type, what I'm saying, let me tell you clearly. Just suppose here I'm taking x is equal to 5. Okay, so you understood easily that 5 is an integer. But what about Python? What about the programming language? What about the interpreter? How it knows that it is a numeric value, an integer value, or a string value? What is it? So here, for taking it into the consideration that what actually its data type is, you need to print first, print, and then type here, type, type, and then put the value of x. Okay, so here if I'll run this, then it will show me the class so-called int means integer, means 5 is an integer class. Okay, and the good thing is you can set the different data types and you can check the type what it is. Let me tell you, let me even show you some examples, and other you can do it by your as a homework. Okay, so just suppose here numeric value you have seen, right? Int. Just suppose I will write my name, just suppose Sharad Khare. Okay, and now I want the type of it. You can see it is showing a string, right? The same thing for, let's suppose 20.5. So what, now it is showing float. Okay, means it is a float value. This type is a float value. What is this value? 1j. It is a complex value. Complex data type you have already seen in the mathematics class of 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, it is already there in the mathematics section. Okay, even you can use the list, tuples, dictionary, okay, set. These are basically data types where you can put a group of values. It is just same as arrays. Okay, if I know you are very new in this field, so don't worry, you will understand it in the future video. Here I am just showing you examples that how you can get the data type of each variable. Okay, so here just suppose I'm taking list. Okay, so apple, a different combination of fruits, apple, then banana. Okay, let's take these two only, and if I'll run, then you can see it is showing that it is a list type. And yes, it is a list type. If I'll change this thing here, just suppose I'll use the round bracket, then let's see what will happen. It will show me the tuple. Yes, it is a tuple. The basic difference between list and tuple is the input part. Means list is we can use list as a square bracket and we can use tuple as a round bracket. Okay, the basic difference is this. Let's type again. Let's see one more example. There is one more thing, so called range. So here let me give 6, Now let's see what is this. It is a range data type. Okay, don't worry, I'm just showing you the example so that you could know much better. Okay, just suppose I will use a dictionary. Okay, so like name and like my name is Sharad, and then comma. This is a format of how to write a name. Okay, age, let's say 35. Okay, and it's over. So what is it? It is a dictionary. DICT, it is a dictionary. Okay, and let me write one more thing I just remembered. um, TRUE, it is a boolean value, true and false, right? So these are the basic data types which is built in. Okay, you can check the Python's even the Python documentation, what are the built-in data types of this. Let me show you how to do this. Built in data type in Python. It's a very long series. Okay, a much thing is there. My internet is look, boolean data type, associate array, okay, list, complex number, tuple, integer. These all are the basic data types. Okay, so hope you understood this thing. Even you can set it also. If you want to set something like here, let me show you. Setting the specific data type. You can also do the things like x is equal to, if just suppose you want to take an integer, so int, here you can choose 20, it will run. Okay, you can also define the integer like this, although it is already an integer, but you can define it. If you want to give it, you want to define it, then you can. Python has given you this facility. If you want to define a float like 0.5 float, you can also define it. Okay, so these are some basic built-in function of